Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to the University of Barcelona Portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Barcelona University Portal. That's Barcelona University, log in, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Tap on the second link saying University of Barcelona UB. You may have to allow cookies. Tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen, and then tap on Students. You might need to translate the page to English if you're browsing internationally. Then tap on SOCUB app. Scroll down again, and then tap on SOCUB personal space. Here you'll have to enter your username along with your password, and then hit login to log into your account. The credentials to log in should be provided to you by a college or university during the time of admission or registration. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.